yeah, so I'm from Alpine, Utah. Grew up, born and raised in Utah. I've also been able to travel a lot, get to experience a lot of different cultures. Utah is just a great place. I've actually loved growing
Yeah,
up here.
no, I definitely have to agree. I also grew up in Utah, and being the adventure capitalist of the world, are there any sports or things that you like to do in the outdoors of Utah?
Yeah, I love how you refer to it like that, the adventure capital of the world, because I kind of really think it is. And growing up, I actually raced mountain bikes, so I did a lot of that. And then in the winters, just obviously because it's cold, we have the greatest snow on earth. I would ski and snowboard a ton. I grew up snowboarding actually, and then my senior year of high school, switched to skiing and have loved it, and still do both. And it's just a great experience, great way to enjoy nature here in Utah.
Yeah, Utah is definitely well known for their snow, and I've also enjoyed a lot of time spent outdoors in at the different resorts and things. Skiing. Are there any resorts that you tend to go to more or less?
Honestly, I love Alta and Snowbird. I'd say are my two favorite here in Utah. I haven't been to all the resorts, but those ones are great. They've got a lot of awesome terrain. I also really enjoy kind of going backcountry. I don't do like the full backcountry setup. I've done a lot of like snowshoeing, boot and pack type skiing. It's just super time consuming. It's a lot of energy involved, and it's fun to hike, but I wish I could maybe get up a little faster sometimes. Get like a crew to go with. It'd be better.
Yeah, no, I've definitely done a little bit as well in the backcountry, but snowshoeing, after doing it a few times, I couldn't do it. Once I spent hours going up the mountain, then spending 20-30 minutes coming back down, it just didn't seem worth it. But I actually ended up getting into a product called climbing skins for the bottom of your ski. Have you ever heard of climbing skins before?
Yeah, vaguely. I've had a couple friends mention them. They skin up, but I haven't looked into it enough to actually purchase any or just get the information I need.
Right. No, they're like really great. I actually have some here. So yeah, they stick to the bottom of your ski, and it's kind of a carpet feel on the bottom, but they grip the snow so that you're able to keep your skis on without having to wear them on your back, which reduces a lot of weight going uphill, and it's just a lot quicker going up the mountain. So typically, the transition is easy from putting your skins on and taking them off to come back down. But overall, I just love how they're durable, they're light. You don't have to stuff wet snowshoes into your bag or anything like that. But would you ever be interested in using something like climbing skins on your skis?
Yeah, honestly, I think it would save a lot of time, make it a lot more enjoyable. You said you've done it yourself?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've been doing it for the past couple years now, and there's really just no reason to go back to snowshoes, just because they're way more efficient, and they take a lot less time to pack and bring back down the mountain, basically.
Yeah, basically that carpet feel on the bottom just provides grip, so then you can actually ski up the snow and it doesn't slide back down.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. So it's kind of an odd concept, but when you put them on the bottom of your skins, you're able to go up. You can also do a little bit of downhill, but preferably you take off your skins once you're at the top, and then you're able to ski down and have that normal skiing experience without spending so much time going uphill.
Yeah.
But would you be interested in purchasing a pair of skins? I actually am selling them and would love to sell you a pair.
Yeah, honestly, I think that would be super beneficial, just to be able to shed some time off my uphill to be able to ski and enjoy more powder.
Well, great. I'll go ahead and get your information and some of your shipping info, and I can get a pair of new skins for you.
Cool. Sounds good.